right after we got home from school, when I say we, I mean me and James, and then we had to go get hay, and we got 35 bales of hay. So we need some for the horses, and we need a little for the goats that are here, because we've sold quite a few of the goats. There's Chris. And a little bit for the bunnies, because they like hay, and the sheep. But I could probably lift it and scoot it about.
I'd see. I'm videoing.
You know how to do it.
Show us how you do it. And this is how kids help with moving hay.
Because it was not a number.
So what did you just do?
I was helping up there. I was tipping them off. I was going, "Hey-yo!"
Tipping off what?
Flipping him off the elevator. You were a trooper.
At 6, we started doing a countdown.
Countdown to the last bale?
Yeah. So
Well,
you think you can help with hay all the time now?
Yeah, I like flipping it, and it was super fun.
So how
But
many?
I wasn't a huge fan of the noise.
well, we'll
It was very
put some grease on it at some point.
And you know, I wondered, because before I didn't see that it was electric.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not electric, but...
Yeah, it is electric. It's plug-in.
That I wondered how it moves without using any electricity or
Now
battery.
you know.
Now you know it's got a little electric motor.
I saw it while you were doing it.
Yeah.
On
So you ready?
When I was about to do right after I flipped the last one.
So you
I
ready?
think that was my biggest flip.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
The first time I just did it and it stood
You
up
were getting
a couple times.
you were getting
and
bolder and bolder as you did it.
And then I went, so I hit it and then it went whoop, whoop.
Mm-hmm. So you ready to go finish up chores with us?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So, hay's all done up in the loft. And chores are all finished except for the last job of the day. What's that, Alex?
Getting the sheep.
Going to get the sheep from the pasture. We're going to take you with us this time because yesterday it didn't go so well. No. So maybe today will go better, but if not, we've got documentation of how bad we are at sheep herding.
They're slow learners.
Yes.
And also, it's going to be even better because I'm here.
Exactly. You're going to
Good
be a
person.
big help, right? Yeah. All right, well, let's see if we can do this.
We are here at the sheep. There's all of them. Trying to slowly zoom in.
Come on.
1, 2, 3. Let's see how many. I have 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is that everyone? One step.
Alex.
And then I'm going back.
Oh.
And then they run.
Come on.
Yeah, you gotta open that.
Uh-oh. Well, at least most of them did. Well, that's the end of our sheep herding fail.
They don't like to go where you
Yes.
want them to go if they don't
Yes.
understand it. But why are the
When
sheep
it's-
worth having?
Lamb burgers. Yummy.
Enough said.
Enough said. Let's end the day.
If you break the routine, they are extreme animals of habit. They've all ran up ahead. Unfortunately, we had the gate shut, but they've all gone and stood where we have been feeding them in the pasture for the last, I don't know, month or so. So they remember that much. They just don't remember that last night they were put in the barn. So anyways, that's usually not too hard. So we'll get them in, and then that'll be it for us for the day. So that white one is Lila. That's our leader sheep. Have mixed feelings on leader sheep because sometimes it's a great asset and other times not so much, depending on what you're trying to do with the sheep. But she's the first one to figure everything out, constantly looking for, I guess, new opportunities, for lack of a better way to put it. But she's also the first one to be just horrible to deal with when you're trying to do kind of routine things. So anyways, they've got the gate open, I'm pretty sure. Yep, she's the first one to go. There they go. When she goes, the rest all go. And everybody's back in. It's a little dark in here, but in for the night. We kind of always say the same thing about the sheep. If they didn't taste so good, they may not make the cut here. But fortunately for you, you do taste good, so...
Unfortunately for me, they're full of burrs.
Well, I think this year the summer fleeces might be just no good. We'll use them for insulation. But anyways, on that note, we are officially done, so we'll go in and start again tomorrow.